What is up, guys? Welcome to the South Coast. On today's video, I've got this piece of live edge sinker cypress slab here. I think what I'm going to do is make a serving board out of it, some sort of cheese board. Maybe put your charcuteries on it, meats, cheeses as such. So we're going to cut us a piece off of it, get it plain, flat, and smooth, sand it out, put some finish on it, and see how it turns out. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll make us a serving board. Alright guys, well that is going to do it for this project. We got this piece of cypress here. We got it cut down to length, planed, flat, and smooth. Use that quarter round bit in the router, which was the first time I've ever done that. So I can definitely tell I have some room for improvement on the router work. So that'll be fun to learn and practice with. But after that, we got it sanded nice and smooth. Sprayed it down with some water to raise that grain up, and then hit it again with some 400 grit sandpaper. Got it real smooth, feels really good. Now we got that cutting board oil put on it. Now just a note, this is not a cutting board, this is a serving board. This is not meant to be cutting on it. Cypress is a soft wood, so if you do any sort of cutting on it, it's going to leave cut marks and stuff like that in there, and then bacteria will get in there and start growing, and it will not be a good situation. So if you're using a soft wood like this cypress, it's got to be used as a serving board, not a cutting board. So that is the plan for this. I may make some more of these and try and sell them down the line, but I think this one, being the prototype, is going to stay with us, stay in the family. We'll use it for a while. So anyway guys, I hope y'all like this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button so you will be brought along on all the various other projects we will have going on the South Coast. And leave me some comments. Let me know what you think of this project. Let me know how you think it turned out. But anyway guys, I hope y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here on the South Coast.